And as the devastation continues, 2 Grand Rapids Community College students are on that island. News 8's Demetria Sanders has more on their status.
Well, those 2 students were in the historic town of Lahaina, the hardest hit by the wildfires. And GRCC says they've been in close contact with both students, and thankfully, they're safe. For most of the summer, 2 GRCC students have been in the historic town of Lahaina for a culinary internship.
So internships are obviously your best foothold to be able to gain experience in the workplace. It also opens up your ability to work with different types of people, different organizations.
That experience turned upside down after significant wildfires broke out on the island of Maui on Tuesday, killing dozens and forcing people to leave their homes. The flames ravaging Lahaina.
The first obvious concern was making sure that they were someplace safe and where they had resources available to them. Obviously housing, food, all of those things that right now so many are struggling with.
Slavkowski says both students were able to safely evacuate and are now staying with their boss's family from one of the internship locations. But the place where they originally were housed was damaged by the fires.
They're upset about what's happened. I mean, it's horrible for such a beautiful place to be decimated in that regard. And so, but they seem to be doing as well as can be expected.
The internship was set to wrap up next week, but the students are planning to come back to West Michigan as early as this weekend. GRCC continuing to keep a close eye on the situation.
It's based on what Hawaii is telling them they can do.
And Slavkowski says with families displaced and loved ones lost, they are thinking about the people of Maui.
Our hearts and thoughts and prayers are with the community over there, and most specifically with our 2 students.
Now, GRCC says since the internship was almost completed, they will be working with the students to make sure they receive their credit.